Welcome to Divorti, a divorce workshop for women in transition. We address your financial concerns when navigating this process. Hello, my name is Jessica Garcia, and I'm a divorce financial planner and divorce coach. I help my clients to better understand the makeup of their financial picture so that when they do enter the negotiation process, they are well informed and the decisions are fact-based, because ultimately the goal is not just to survive the divorce process, but to also thrive. Cash flow is king, they say. And basically what that means is the inflows and outflows of cash can make such a difference in your life. The makeup of your financial picture is really made up of 4 components: income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. When we talk about income, we're talking of inflows of money. So that could be a job, it could be a business, it could be investment income, and other sources like rental income, for example, that are coming in for you to use for your expenses and other things, or to invest. Expenses are household and personal expenses that are needed on a day-to-day basis for you to be able to manage whatever it is from a housing perspective that you need, from food and supplies and utilities and things like that. And then assets are the assets that you've accumulated throughout your marriage, which for most couples tend to be retirement accounts and the marital home. But really, there are other assets, and the complexity can vary with different couples. And then, of course, we have liabilities, which are really debts. And so, as an example, if you have a home, you may have a mortgage, and that's the liability. You might have credit cards, car loans, student loans. Those would be liabilities that would be important to understand. And in fact, I strongly suggest you get a copy of your credit report to make sure that you know what liabilities are in your name or what credit is open in your name. When we put all these 4 components together, we understand the cash flow. And really, you want to know what these decisions that you're making through your separation and divorce process will mean to you, not just in the immediate future, but in the long term as well. It can make a difference in the quality of your life, really. When we think of these components, we want to be able to gather the documents that help us determine what they are. And documents like pay stubs, tax returns, real estate documents, retirement account statements, banking and checking account statements, and other retirement accounts and investment accounts, that you want to make sure you have that information. You also want to make sure that you understand what your expenses are, as I alluded to before. And it does take sometimes extra effort, because we do go through life sometimes not really thinking about what we're spending. But when you're going through separation and divorce, you want to know what the numbers are, because this will make a difference for you, so that you can negotiate well for your future and understand what you need on a day-to-day basis. So Divorti is just one of the ways that I'm able to help clients. Divorce financial planning, where I'm rolling up my sleeves and creating a financial workbook for you, is one way. Divorce coaching on one-on-one sessions, and then divorce financial planning for couples as well. Ultimately, my mission is empowering women with financial literacy during the separation and divorce process. And so these are the 4 different ways, and I can help. And as you know, every marriage is different, but also every divorce is different. So there's no one cookie cutter approach. So it's important that the services be tailored to what you need and what's important to you, because really you want to know what your priorities and goals are through this process, but you also want to know what's your happy place? Where do you want to be? And how do we get there? So in working together, we can better understand what the next steps should be and how to do that with your best self. And so I invite you to learn more about how I help clients as a divorce financial analyst and divorce coach. I can tell you that divorce does not define you. Divorce is a chapter in your life, and it becomes part of your tapestry and who we are. And so visit brainstormingwomen.com and schedule an initial consultation or see when our next workshop is, and we can go further in depth. Thanks.